For the first time in forever. For the first time in forever. I'm leaving the country. The last time I left the country, I was 16 years old, and I will be 26 when we go. We're still a couple months out, but the shopping has begun. I got all of this from Abercrombie. Let's do a little try-on haul. I have heard people rave about Abercrombie's bodysuits, and I now know why. Like, this is like buttery soft, and look how stretchy. I got these linen pants to wear as like a cover-up at the beach, so walking around. Oh, have I even said where I'm going? I'm going to Mexico. Your bikini top, and then you're walking around with the linen pants and some sandals. I'm obsessed. I have more clothes to try on, but I can't stop strutting it in this outfit. Okay, so like she needs to be steamed, but come on, this is so cute. Now don't look at my toes because they are quite heinous, but I also got these shoes, which I have been needing a good pair of heels and short heels, because if you know, my husband hates when I wear heels because we're like the same height. But just wait. She is a big. Why do you keep doing an Italian accent? I need to stop. I'm going not to Italy, I'm going to Mexico. Excuse me, sir, where's some margaritas? Oh, thank you. I will have my children, so I'll probably have like a child on a hip and spit up all over me, but come on. A moment of silence for the perfect heel. Actual heels you can walk in, revolutionary. And last but certainly not least, we know that I don't work out, but this is the perfect little OOTD for an early morning coffee run. Necesito un gran café. Am I supposed to roll my tongue? That means I need a big coffee. Everything is linked on my LTK.